The ABCs. Today we are going to learn about the alphabet. Letter A. A is for apple. B. B is for banana. C. C is for carrots. D is for dinosaurs. E is for earbuds. F is for flowers. G is for games. H is for hooks. I is for ice cream. J is for jacket. K is for kiwi. L is for lemon. M is for mats. N is for notebooks. O is for oranges. P is for pencils. Q is for quarters. R is for rice. S is for stickers. T is for tape. U is for utensils. V is for vacuum. W is for watermelon. X is for xylophone. Y is for yarn. And Z is for zebra.